还差1个粉丝就可以涨1位数啦，你能不能关注我一下？你多我1个粉丝又不多，但是我少了你1个粉丝，会很难过的。
Hi guys, sorry. In today's video, I'm going to be showing some slimes, like this one, mint slimes, and one second. Oh, gross! Sorry, I didn't know I was gonna sneeze that up. Wait a minute, my snot kind of looks like slime. It smells a little bit like snot though. Okay, but anyway, so here's this slime, and super nice drizzly cloud slime from Squishin' Time. And look at that! Wow, it's so drizzly. Okay, so there's that one, and I really like it. It's called mint, or yeah, thin mint. So yeah, bye.
All around me are familiar. They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You better stop! Stop!
Hey guys, this is my container of slime. I'm only gonna keep it in the container for now. I'm not gonna actually play with him like that. Wouldn't be satisfying at all. So I'm just gonna let you see it, and I'm just not gonna poke it at all. I'm just gonna keep it in here for about 20 minutes maybe.
You better stop! You just have to say that you're fine.
A potato flew around my room. I can't do.
It's freaking fine.
Hello， 仙女们、男神们，这个是咱家的大佬冰山，看看有没有你的名字啊！完了，这个作品同样老规矩，双击关注、评论里都会揪宝宝，送咱家的起泡胶跟咱家的小套泥材料啊，各揪5名，总共揪10名啊！因为这个作品我挺新的，希望能顶上热门。好多宝宝说没有揪到你，没有关系，你多多评论，多多双击，我相信会揪到你的，不要着急，耐心等待。爱你们，感谢你们支持文文，一定要关注关注关注你。